And now, your weather forecast. Sponsored by Reisterer and Schnell.
2020 was certainly a year that went in a direction none of us could have forecasted. But when it comes to our weather, Mother Nature took it easy on us overall here in Northeast Wisconsin. Here now are the top 5 weather events of 2020 in our area.
Number 5, a very mild and timid end to our fall was enjoyed by many. In November, we were able to string together an unprecedented 5 days in a row of highs in the 70s. November 5th through the 9th set a new record high each and every day, making it the warmest 5-day stretch in the month of November ever in Northeast Wisconsin, including back-to-back days on the 8th and 9th hitting 75 degrees. Temperatures ran a solid 30 degrees above average when normal highs are supposed to be in the mid-40s. In a year where spending outside was a way to keep our sanity, 2020 helped us out there. On to number 4. Keeping it in the temperature-related theme, July brought the hottest air of the summer, right over the 4th of July holiday stretch. In fact, each and every day from June 29th through July 9th had a high of at least 85 degrees. And July 3rd through July 7th, a 5-day stretch, had highs hitting at least 90 degrees. The dog days of summer arrived a little early this year, but made for another silver lining for families to spend some time outside over the 4th of July weekend. Number 3, now we shift gears to some more serious weather. May 17th through the 19th brought in soaking and flooding spring rainfall. Parts of our area had over 5 inches of rain in this period, with the lakeshore getting waterlogged the most. Two Rivers and Michigan total up over 5 inches. Just about the entire area picked up over 3 inches of rain and caused widespread flooding around the area. This leads us into the number 2 weather event for 2020. If you spend any time near the Bay or Lake Michigan, you know we are filled to the brim. After a period of years shortly after 2010, we were left wondering if the then low water levels would ever return. Well, they did, and 2020 was a record year. January through August set new records for lake levels each and every month. This is incredible because you need to realize that the Bay and Lake Michigan and Lake Huron are one body of water. We felt the high waters almost every time we'd have a north or northeast wind as the water piles up in the southern part of the bay, pushing water back up into the Fox, East Swamico, and O'Connell rivers. Flooding also put the Kewanee Marina and boat launch underwater for most of the season. Boaters on the Fox had to wade into deep water just to launch their boats, and City Deck could not even clip their docks in. Water levels naturally decline a bit as we head into winter, but the elevated water levels are not going anywhere anytime soon. And now, the number 1 weather event of 2020. Severe weather was rather tame this year, but we did have one tornado event over Father's Day weekend. On June 20th, Winnebago County had a cluster of storms spin up 3 tornadoes over Lake Winnebago and Lake Butamore. One of the twisters did touch down just east of the village of Winneconne on the north side of Lake Butamore. This was a weak tornado, packing winds of 65 miles per hour and rated an EF0. Thankfully, no injuries or damage was reported. What's really incredible is these were the only 3 tornadoes to happen in Northeast Wisconsin all year. Another silver lining in what was an incredibly difficult year for all of us. The rest of the state tallied up 17 other tornadoes, all weak EF0 or EF1s, making for a total of 20 tornadoes, just under the average of 23 in a year.
2020 will go down as a wet year with precipitation totals running above average by at least 4 inches, and we'll finish on the warm side of average for temperatures. Whatever 2021 has in store for us, we know brighter and better days are going to return, and you can count on Storm Team 5 to be with you for each one of them, committed to clear and accurate weather forecasts. We wish you all a Happy New Year.